Ito yung tatlong hinahanap lang ng babae para sa magiging potential partner niya. I'm Joms and I help conquer men. Mali. I'm Joms and I help conquer. Mali. I'm Joms and I help men conquer the fear of rejection by mastering confidence. And sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin yung kung ano ba talaga yung gusto ng mga babae that you can use to improve your dating life. So, ano ba yung mga signs that hindi mo alam or hindi mo alam kung gusto ko ba ng babae o hindi? Number one is mixed signals. So, maladalas ka na ako confused na, okay, ang daming signals ito, gusto ba ako nito or hindi. Number two is your feeling na unappreciated ka or natitaken for granted. So, usually sa mga nice guys to na, putya, ginawa ko naman lahat pero wala pa din. So, if you want to remove those confusion, mixed signals, and also feeling unappreciated, you need to know kung ano ba talaga yung gusto ng mga babae. Because kung hindi, number one is you will struggle on forming genuine connections. Kasi lagi ka nang huhula na hindi mo talaga kung ano yung alam nila. Number two is, palagi kang ma-frustrate kasi lagi kang ma-reject. If you don't know what women really want, then wala din. Kumbaga, you're walking on eggshells. Number three is you'll miss opportunities for romantic growth. Again, ang goal natin dito is makapag-date kayo ng high quality o mga high value pala. High quality, ginawang gamit. High value women. So, yun yung goal natin dito. So, this is important because if you have an insight kung ano yung mga deepest desires ng babae, this will be essential on effective dating. Kumbaga, you can push the right buttons. Ganyan. So, number one is they want someone who's grounded. Ibig sabihin, grounded yung emotions. Hindi siya nadadala ng impulsive emotions niya. He's thinking logically. Hindi siya napo-persuade ng emotions siya. Hindi siya madaling magalit. Hindi siya madaling malungkot. Every decision niya is stay pa rin kahit malungkot, magalit, tsaka happy siya. Stay pa rin siya sa isang desisyon. Hindi siya napo-persuade ng feelings niya. So, he is a grounded man. Number two, he can provide structure. So, sa mga babae, ayaw nila mag-isip rationally or ayaw nila mag-isip ng logically. Kasi hindi naman sila ginawang ganun. So, if you want a girl to be attracted to you, is you need to provide structure. For example, sa date. So, mag-provide ka ng structure na ikaw yung magpaplano, anong oras, saan, and ano ba yun? And kung ano yung siguro dress code, ano yung dress code niya, anong susuotin niya. So, in that way, hindi na siya mag-iisip masyado. Because you can provide structure. Ganyan. And number three is she want a man who can give her safety. Ibig sabihin, kaya niya maging feminine. Kaya niya i-let go yung masculine energy niya to be in his feminine. Kasi nafe-feel niya sa safe sa'yo. Safe around you. So, with that one, kailangan confident ka. You need to display confidence. You need to display strength. You need to display assertiveness. In that way, she will feel safe to be in her feminine state. And kapag nasa feminine state siya, dun lalabas yung pagiging caring niya, understanding, yung kindness niya, and also yung nurturing niya. Dun lalabas yun. Alright? So, ang benefit dito is, number one, you will build stronger relationships. Number two is you'll feel more confident when approaching or when dating someone. And number three, you'll attract high value partners or high value women. So, yun lang. Again, it's all about grounding your emotions. Tipong kahit anong ibato niya sa'yo, kahit anong mangyari sa buhay mo, grounded lang yung emotions mo, hindi ka nadadala ng emotion mo. Number two is you provide structure. Ikaw nagpaplano ng dates. Alam mo kung ano yung gusto mo. Ganyan. Number three is safety. So, I want make your woman feel safe around you. So, yun lang. Let's go.